Hello friends, welcome to BJR Tech Talks. This is Srikanth, second year BSc. In this video, we will learn about database management system, that is DBMS, and their examples and applications. So let's get started. To understand the database, let me give a simple example. We have a school and we have children in that school, and we have several attributes like their name, roll number, father name, etc. And I have to store that information somewhere, that is database. So now coming to the definition of database, database is an organized collection of related data that is stored in an efficient and compact manner. So it stores the data which is related. As we seen in example, in a school we are storing the data of students, but the attributes are the same to every students like name, number, father name, etc. So storing relative data is known as database. DBMS, Database Management System. DBMS is a piece of software that manages databases and let you create, edit and delete databases. Coming to the main definition, a collection of programs that are used to create, maintain and access databases is called DBMS. So many of you get confused what is the difference between database and database management system. Database is a collection of related data, like I said, name, father name, roll number of a student in a school. Whether coming to the DBMS, DBMS is a collection of programs that are used to create, edit, and delete the tables and their data. Let's move to another one to understand the difference between database and DBMS. DBMS, as I said, DBMS is a collection of programs. Here we can see several softwares like Microsoft Access, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, MongoDB, System 2000. These all are DBMS softwares. So coming to the database, database is a collection of related data. The best examples for this is our university, like our Usmania University, banks, several banks, etc. How DBMS works? Let me give a simple example. We have data of our lecturers in database, and here the payroll officer has to access the data and he has to credit the salary of our lecturers. So how can he access our lecturers data which is in database? Yes, using database management system, that is DBMS softwares, he can access the data and credit the salary of our lecturers. Let us consider a better example. Our data is stored in Usmania University, and here the social welfare officer has to access our students' data, and he has to credit scholarships to our account. So how can he access? Yes, through DBMS he can access our data and he credits our scholarships to our account. There are many applications of database. Some of them are transaction in banks. The user accesses the bank database for crediting and debiting the money from account. The bank database stores the details of individual customers, their accounts, loans, crediting, debiting, etc. Students at universities. Social media like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. DBMS is a collection of programs. Here we can see several softwares like Microsoft Access, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, MongoDB, System 2000. These all are DBMS softwares. So coming to the database, database is a collection of related data. The best examples for this is our university, like our Usmania University, banks, several banks, etc. There are many applications of database. Some of them are transaction in banks. Students at universities. social media like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram.